Are you looking for the best hand grip exercises? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best hand grip exercises on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit. The FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit, 5-pack, is a comprehensive set designed to improve hand, wrist, and forearm strength. It's great for athletes, musicians, climbers, or anyone looking to build grip strength or recover from injury. What's included? 2 adjustable resistance hand grippers. Typically adjustable between 22 to 132 pounds, 10 to 60 kilograms, resistance. Great for progressive training and tracking improvement. Ergonomic and non-slip handles for comfort. Finger stretcher, resistance band. Targets the extensor muscles for balance and injury prevention. Helps improve finger flexibility and reduce the risk of repetitive strain. Grip ring. Usually around 40 to 60 pounds resistance. Excellent for endurance and repetitive squeezing exercises. Stress relief grip ball. Soft, squishy, and designed for therapeutic stress relief and hand mobility. Benefits. Builds grip and forearm strength. Improves dexterity, coordination, and finger mobility. Useful for rehabilitation, carpal tunnel, tendinitis, arthritis. Compact and easy to use anywhere. At home, office, or while traveling. Number 2. FitBeast Grip Strengthener. The FitBeast Grip Strengthener Forearm Strengthener Hand Grip Strengthener Kit, 5-pack adjustable resistance, is designed to target all aspects of grip and forearm strength, making it versatile for beginners, athletes, and those recovering from injuries. What's in the 5-pack kit? Adjustable hand gripper, X2. Adjustable resistance from 22 to 132 pounds, 10 to 60 kilograms. Non-slip ergonomic handles. Ideal for progressive overload and strength tracking. Finger stretcher. Made of durable silicone. Strengthens finger extensors, balances grip training, and helps prevent overuse injuries. Often has 3 levels of resistance depending on the band. Grip ring. Compact and portable. Usually offers moderate resistance, e.g., 40-60 lbs. Great for stress relief and endurance. Stress relief grip ball. Soft, squeezable gel material. Used for stress relief, rehab, and gentle hand exercises. Key benefits. Forearm and grip strength. Builds crushing, pinching, and supporting grip. Rehabilitation. Helps with carpal tunnel, arthritis, tendinitis, and post-surgery recovery. Stress relief. Excellent for anxiety or stress, especially the ball and ring. Sample daily workout. 3 sets of 15 reps with hand gripper, each hand. 2 sets of 30s holds with grip ring. 3 sets of 10 finger extensions with finger stretcher. 2 minutes of squeezing the stress ball for cool down. Number 3. FLYFE Grip Strength Trainer. The FLYFE Grip Strength Trainer, 2-pack, is a solid, budget-friendly option for building grip and forearm strength or recovering from hand and wrist injuries. Here's a breakdown of what you get and how it compares. Product overview. Material. Durable plastic with steel springs. Resistance range, 11 to 132 pounds, 5 to 60 kilograms. Suitable for all levels. Quantity. 2 adjustable grip strengtheners. Design. Ergonomic. Anti-slip handles. Adjustable knob for easy resistance tuning. Compact and portable. Use cases. Muscle building. Strengthens forearms, wrists, and fingers. Everyday use. Ideal for stress relief or staying active during idle time, watching TV, working, etc. How to use it. Beginners. Start at 11 to 30 pounds, 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Number 4. ALMAH Hand Grip Strengthener Kit. The ALMAH Hand Grip Strengthener Kit, 5-pack, is another well-rounded grip training set aimed at improving hand, wrist, and forearm strength, plus enhancing finger mobility and providing rehab support. It's similar to the FitBeast kit, with a few of its own perks. What's included in the ALMAH 5-pack kit? Adjustable hand grip strengthener. Resistance range, typically 22 to 132 pounds, 10 to 60 kilograms. Ideal for building grip and forearm strength progressively. Ergonomic, non-slip design. Finger stretcher. Silicone material. Trains finger extensor muscles for balance and injury prevention. Grip ring. Resistance, usually medium, 40 to 60 pounds. Perfect for repetitive squeezes. Improves endurance. Stress relief grip ball. Soft, squeezable for gentle rehab or stress relief. Good for warming up or cooling down. Carry bag. Keeps everything organized and travel ready. A nice bonus if you're on the go. Best for strength training, forearms, wrists, fingers. Finger dexterity, especially useful for musicians, gamers, and climbers. Quick comparison. Alma versus FitBeast versus FLYFE. Number 5. High Resistance Grip Strength Trainer. You're looking at a high-resistance grip strength trainer with some premium features. This one stands out because of its adjustable range up to 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, and the built-in automatic counter, which makes it ideal for serious grip training and tracking progress. Product features. Adjustable resistance, 11 to 220 pounds / 5 to 100 kilograms. Much wider range than standard grippers, most stop at 132 pounds. Perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Great for progressive overload training. Automatic repetition counter. Tracks reps on the gripper itself. Removes guesswork from training sessions. Usually resets manually with a button or dial. Ergonomic, non-slip design. Comfortable grip for extended use. Anti-slip rubber handles for better control and safety. Versatile use. Ideal for musicians, athletes, climbers, weightlifters, and those recovering from injury or surgery. Great for improving grip strength, forearm endurance, wrist stability, and hand mobility. Pro tip. If you're into tracking progress, pushing heavy resistance, or are a climber/lifter/martial artist, this one is excellent. Pair it with a finger stretcher or grip ring, sold separately, to round out your grip game.